Did you know skipping your first oil change on a new mower engine could shave years off its life? This isn't just maintenance, it's the secret to long-term performance. Stick with us to learn why that first oil change is critical for your mower's health and your wallet. Buying a new lawnmower is an investment, but maintaining it properly is what protects that investment. One thing every expert agrees on, whether it's a Kawasaki, Kohler, or Briggs & Stratton engine, is that your first oil change is a must, not a maybe. Why? Because during the first 5 hours of use, your engine is going through a critical break-in period. This is when parts like pistons, rings, and bearings are settling and wearing in. And guess what? That process creates tiny metal particles that get trapped in your oil. If you don't remove those contaminants by changing the oil, you're putting your engine at risk. Let's look at what the big brands recommend for their engines. Kawasaki engines need their first oil change at 5 hours. After that, it's every 50 hours or the start of the mowing season. Follow these steps and you'll keep that legendary Kawasaki performance running smooth. Kohler engines also demand a 5-hour break-in oil change. Think of it as clearing out the debris for a fresh start. Afterward, change the oil every 50 hours or once a year. With Briggs & Stratton, the 5-hour rule applies too. These engines are built tough, but only if you give them the care they need, starting with that first crucial oil change. Here's the science behind it. Those tiny metal shavings from the break-in process act like sandpaper inside your engine. Skipping that 5-hour oil change? You're inviting unnecessary wear and tear, which can lead to costly repairs or even engine failure. Think of it this way. It's like brushing your teeth. Skipping it once might not seem like a big deal, but over time it creates damage you can't undo. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. At M&D Enterprises, we're here to make this easy. We offer pickup and delivery for mower servicing, and our trained mechanics will handle your oil changes with precision and care. Prefer to do it yourself? No problem. We've got the oil, filters, and parts you need to get the job done right. With multiple locations across Western Oklahoma, M&D Enterprises is just around the corner. From engines to outdoor living, we're your one-stop shop for quality products at reasonable prices. Don't wait for a costly lesson to learn why oil changes are non-negotiable. Whether it's Kawasaki, Kohler, or Briggs & Stratton, follow the 5-hour rule and your mower will thank you for years to come. Visit us at medenterprisesok.com or stop by one of our stores today. At M&D Enterprises, we're not just about sales, we're about solutions. For your best lawn, porch, or patio, we're your people. Have you had experience with break-in oil changes? Share your tips and stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more essential tips to keep your lawn in top shape.